Hello, everyone. So let's talk about something about mentorship. Okay. So have we heard about the term called mentor? So most of us will be pausing for a while and thinking about who is mentor in our lives, right? So who is a mentor? What the mentor does, and where do we find these mentors? Okay, so these are few of the questions which comes to every one of our mind, right? So especially what the mentors does. So let's get into quickly into this segment and discuss about what a mentor does in anyone's life. So have we come across any sort of issues or any sort of problems or any sort of unresolved queries in our life, and we have wondered about what to do with that query, what to do with that issue, and how we are going to come out of it, right? And there comes a mentor in your life, surprisingly. Probably your dad, or probably your mom, or probably your brother, or probably your sister, or your friend. Friends become mentors most of the times, right? So someone comes in and helps you out, and you feel so great. You feel so good that you have got a solution, and there comes a solution for my problem, right? So what happens here? What happens basically in mentorship? So let's go by few points. What a mentor does in someone's life. Okay. So let's go by point by point. So the first one would be in terms of support, which a mentor gives to you. So what kind of support? How the mentor supports you? So mainly the mentor gives you the support that, yeah, I am there with you, and you go ahead and you go into next segment of your career or your life, or come out of your issue, right? And probably what's the next thing would be in terms of guidance. Okay, so the mentor guides you and stays with you, and every time when there is an issue again, the mentor ensures that you come out of the issue, and he guides you how to come out of the issue, and how you can make yourself or present yourself better when the issue again comes. And the next important point would be in terms of how the mentor makes you to lead. Okay, so especially most of us have the insecure feeling that how we can lead, how we can get into that segment, right? So the mentor mainly builds you and gives you the strength in terms of how you can lead and how you can get into leading a bigger team or a bigger group of people, mainly giving you that confidence. Okay, so these are few of the points which on mentorship, and these points probably comes in along with any mentor you find in your life. And have you found a mentor in your life? That's the main question. Have you come across, or do you have a mentor in your life? Okay, so stay tuned, folks. We'll come out with a lot of more mentorship thought processes. Thank you. Thanks a lot.